What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 143. We're up 2.26% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 41.33 billion. 24-hour volume is 3.37 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Incredible benefits, my favorite platform for investing, and you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So Solana, it's looking really strong in my opinion. This is a 4-hour chart, and we're beautifully holding the support of the EMA, similar to Cardano since the start of our recovery uptrend. You can see here we haven't lost the 55 EMA. Now, I pulled my Fibonacci from our previous swing high down to our swing low. So we did come all the way up to the 1.618 extension, and now we've gone through a little bit of correction. We've come back down to the EMAs. It is looking really healthy, guys. If we were to lose this level of support, do target, I'll drop it back in, your previous swing high as a retest at about 129. If Bitcoin were to see some significant sell-off here, we're still looking strong in my opinion. We did just print two very large red candles here. So if we lose 51.2, that's what I'm keeping an eye on. Then we might see some future sell-off. But if we hold this level of support, then that's when we could see that continuation for Solana as well. We also have a bit of a bearish divergence on the 4-hour. As you can see here, we created a high, lower high on the RSI. So do keep an eye on that as well. We're going to pop into the 1-hour time frame. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our fib out here, and we're going to use our Fibonacci from this swing high down to this previous swing high down to our swing low. We did have a little bit of a double bottom here, but Bitcoin just had those two large red candles. We didn't break this level of support, so it could still play out here. I'll give you that price target from this double bottom. Would bring you up basically to the 1.272 extension here for Solana at 155. I'm going to drop a line in here at $1.29, the previous swing high, as a level of support. So we are still holding the EMAs. You can see we wicked down, we came right back up. So if we were to see that continuation here for Solana, as we are in price discovery, we have we have 155. I'm so used to saying a dollar because all the coins I'm covering are like $1, $2, $3. We have the 1.272 at 155. We have the 1.618 at 161. So if we do see that continuation, what we can see is we come up to the 1.618 once again, and then we roll over, we come back down to the EMAs, and we see that continuation. It is looking really healthy. I know we are quite overextended on the daily chart. Yeah, so we are quite overextended on the daily. So if we were to see that bit of larger correction, let me just open it up so it's more visible. Do target your previous swing high as a level of support at $1.29, and it would allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. If you were to lose that, then I would target this area right here at about 117 at Bitcoin. If we were to go through a major correction, then do target those levels of support, and then you have your continuation as we are in price discovery here. If we hold the support of the EMAs here and we see that continuation, 155, 161, and then I could even drop in the 2.618 at 180 for Solana. All eyes on Bitcoin, of course. We need to see Bitcoin hold this level of support, in my opinion. If we were to lose it, then coming down to the 55 EMA could see a larger correction for Solana, but I think Bitcoin is looking strong, so I'm looking for it to hold this support and see that continuation. But of course, there's always a chance that we sell off, we come back down possibly to the 55 EMA. If we lose that, then 50.4K for Bitcoin. And then I have some future price targets here up at about 54.5K, which was a previous level of support and resistance for Bitcoin as well. All right, guys. So 155, 161, and 180 are your next price targets for Solana. And if you were to see further correction, I would also drop in this level of support. $1.34, you have your previous swing high at $1.29, and then you have support in this area, previous level of support, 117, previous swing high. So that's it for Solana, guys. If we see that continuation for Bitcoin to 53, 54K, I do believe Solana will come up to these price targets. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns to help you stay ahead of the game as a trader and investor. Price of a coffee, you can sign up to the Patreon. Make sure to smash that like button, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.